How to add Instagram link to your YouTube channel. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add an Instagram link to your YouTube channel. And without further ado, click on Google Chrome. Let's go to our YouTube. And by the way guys, adding your Instagram link to your YouTube channel is a great way to cross-promote your social media accounts and increase your online presence. By providing your viewers with easy access to your Instagram profile, you can connect them on multiple platforms and build a larger following. And in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process to seamlessly add your Instagram link to your YouTube channel, so you can expand your reach and engage with your audience even more. So let's go right here. This is our YouTube channel right there, and once you click on that, go to upper right part right here, click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, click on settings. So here in settings right here, let's go and look for connected apps. So once you go in here, once you click on apps, click on CO sites that access your Google right there. So let's search here Instagram. So if you don't have that yet, this will not appear right here. So let's go it back. Let's go back to our channel. So let's go to account, advanced setting. It's not here also. So let's go to settings again. So here, let's go to your channel. Once you're in your channel, let's customize channel right here. Once you've clicked customize channel, let's go and look for customization. Here, settings, channel, permissions, community, agreements. So not here. So let's go to dashboard. It's also not here. Here, let's go to customization, basic info, and here, links. Click on add links, link a title. So let's click on Instagram, and there, let's go to our Instagram account. So once we're here in our Instagram account, let's click on our account right here. Copy the URL, go back to YouTube channel, paste the URL right here, click on publish. And now you've already added Instagram to your Instagram link to your YouTube channel, and there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add Instagram to your YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. And by the way guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.